Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, Movie Camera. In today's video, we're going to break down a head-to-head comparison between DaVinci Resolve and CapCut, two of the most popular video editing tools out there. Let's start with CapCut. CapCut is designed with simplicity in mind. It's free, lightweight, and super easy to use. The interface is beginner-friendly with drag-and-drop features, ready-made templates, and quick editing options like speed adjustment, text, filters, and transitions. Plus, it works seamlessly on both mobile and PC, which is perfect if you're editing short-form content for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or Instagram Reels. However, CapCut is limited when it comes to professional editing. It's great for quick projects, but it doesn't give you the advanced tools needed for high-end production. Now let's talk about DaVinci Resolve. This is a professional-grade video editor that rivals paid software like Adobe Premiere Pro and Final Cut. Resolve comes with a full editing suite, color grading tools, visual effects, audio post-production, and even AI-powered features. It's powerful enough to edit YouTube videos, short films, or even Hollywood-level productions. The free version itself offers tons of features, but keep in mind that DaVinci Resolve has a steeper learning curve compared to CapCut. It can be overwhelming for beginners. Also, it requires a decent computer to run smoothly. And that's it for today's. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more video editing tips, and let me know in the comments which one do you prefer using for your edits.